That was awesome. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sage Scanning here, and I hope you liked that intro, because, yeah, it was fun.
And I'm also Sage.
Fat Panda real, we're making a video right now. It's G-rated, no cursing, no inappropriate content, okay?
So basically, we are here with apparently 3 people now. Well, 4, including Omega. Me and Omega are versus X-Agent and Puma, and apparently Fat Panda, so, yeah.
Puma cannot speak English, so, yeah. Actually, talk German in game chat, because I want to see if I can if I actually... what it sounds like when I try to translate it.
It's raining man, hallelujah, it's raining man, hallelujah.
That first hit I got.
That was amazing, dude. That looked hilarious.
No, you need to add cinematics in your video and send it to me.
I'm going to do some funny stuff. We need to do it. We need to do it over and over again, Omega, and we'll just make like a whole collage of it, and make like we should make like a full music video for it.
I told Puma to save something in the chat, in the voice chat.
Not the voice chat, I mean in the game chat. The actual chat.
Oh, okay.
Did I mention
I told him
chat?
in the voice chat. Hello.
My rocket jumping.
That's not.
He sniped me. How did you?
Ah! 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 Dang it.
Okay.
I headshotted you too.
I'm a dwarf. I'm an American dwarf, sir.
I'm American. I'm official full American dwarf. Well, I'm a Canadian
Have you
dwarf.
noticed my sexy beard?
I'm a Canadian dwarf, so.
You don't have a beard. You're a reject.
Kidding me? I shave once a week, maybe twice. Depends on how.
Real men don't shave.
Are you kidding me? Real men don't shave? Are you being? Oh, see that snipe? See that snipe?
Have you seen Saxton Hale's ass?
I'm
They're so hairy.
I'm slowing that.
Took an arrow to the knee.
I'm gonna slow that. Oh man, now we're getting tons of people. I'm gonna slow that down in my view so you can see that. That was amazing. That snipe.
Was an arrow to the knee.
Oh crap.
Fat Panda.
Hey guys. Oh boy. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. You're not allowed to play.
Boy, we're actually making a video right now. G-rated, no cursing, all that.
Watch him curse now. You should have just not said anything and I'll blurp it out, okay? Now he's gonna purposely try and tick us off. Just so you know.
Yeah, you can bleep
so
it out
I
and
thought
stuff,
it was
and then
the
you
same
can send
thing.
the video to me. We're making a video.
Making a video for youtube.com/sagescanning.
And slash Omega.
G17.
841.
How did I fail shooting you from that close? Really? Really, Sage?
Oh!
Ha! Holy crap, Pyro. No.
Direct hit!
Ah! Enemy in red place. Enemy in red place. I repeat.
Oh, Fat Panda. Okay, it's time to switch classes here, everyone. It's time to go. What shall we go as? I'm thinking bit of this dude, because this dude's really fun.
I can finish him off with my... Okay, apparently I can't.
Hey, by the way, Omega, I got the lolly chop.
Humiliation.
I have a
Lolly chop. Lolly chop.
The lolly chop is the big lollipop that you choke.
Oh.
Oh, no. You can stay.
It's Finwa. Guys, it's Finwa.
Finwa!
Wish you could shoot faster.
It's like an advertisement for kind of sushi. I'm sorry if I sold it in Japanese. Please don't.
Puma doesn't really know what he is supposed to do.
Heavy needs his
Puma
Sasha.
just run around and kill people. That's the easiest thing to
Heavy
do.
needs his Sashas to make Sasha links.
I've picked it up. Ah! Oh, it's just you. Hi, Omega. Bye, Omega.
Sucks about the bad
Okay.
Oh, we got
So-
frag radio.
You should
Count
just
this
run
out
around
as
and kill people.
cursing because it's describing the place. what sucks about the bat out of hell is that I lose my running speed.
Omega? They got
Why
frag
do you have
radio.
crits?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on! Puma! Say something in the chat, Puma. Say something in the game chat. I want crap. Say something in the game chat.
Oh, come on, I really want to shoot you, but you keep moving too fast. Oh boy, I'm gonna die. Yep, I died.
Wait, is Puma even in the call?
You dead?
Yeah, I died. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men.
60 bars, I'd be a diabetic in 5 seconds.
What? You want this to last a long time. Laster.
Last.
Laster.
Lacerate.
Aw, come on, after I just said not to.
Lost.
Oh well. Hopefully we're gonna have to make some table talk if we have to switch levels. Oh, phew, if we don't. Sweetness.
I don't think it really matters. Even if the map changes, it may be a slight chance for just to re-choose this map. The reason I chose this map is because of I've been watching Code of Personality.
Code of personality. First blood.
Puma's coming.
Oh god! Oh god! It's an American! It's an American! It's an American! Oh wait, I'm American.
I'm Canadian. Smiley face.
Is Pyro Mexican? I'm curious.
What?
It's unknown.
Well, in Wave 666, the pyros were zombified pyros were dressed up like Mexicans. They had sombreros.
Sombreros.
And an El Muchacho. Yeah, they're gay Mexicans. Not being racist, but really. It is proven that Pyro is a homosexual.
How's it proven?
Yes!
Science!
I'm gonna try out something new, because apparently I got something new. Oops, crap. No, I need to open up this. The Man Melter. Aw, that's legit! Holy crap. Puma? Really?
What's that Puma? Where's that Puma? Where's that Puma?
Puma's... You're going the wrong way, but okay. Bonk Atomic Punch. The bat. Out of hell. Okay. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. That was probably the best intro I think we've ever done together. Ah!
Exactly.
Ah! Melted the man. Melted that man. Aw, he...
Puma attack.
I can't even click. Ah! No! 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 I hate.
Why didn't you drink your Bonk Atomic Punch?
I couldn't.
You can't? When you're carrying the thing?
Apparently not. Hold up. That wouldn't make any sense. That's basically the main purpose of a Bonk Atomic Punch.
You're a Bonk Atomic Punch.
You captured the intelligence again.
Who cares? I think the video is gonna be longer than 10 minutes, so I'm fine with it. I don't care.
My videos have been between.
Puma plays Dovahkiin again.
Aw, crap. Aw, crap. Run!
So I can't pick up the intelligence for Bonk.
Run! I really want to kill these two. No, don't kill me.
That's the most stupidest thing I think I've heard anyone say in Team Fortress 2.
What?
Don't kill me, I'm on accident.
Ew! Come on! I had mini crits.
Some dude was on the achievement server and he had to roll the dice. Nice plug-in where you'll get random effects, and one of them was drug. And while he's drunk, he said, "Don't kill me, I'm on acid." Hey, Scout!
I really hate this scout right now. Oh, it's Puma. Boom, boom.
He is the Dovahkiin. The Dragon Ball.
No, the amazing Scout is Dovahkiin.
Yeah, that's it, Puma.
But he's not the amazing Scout. Did you... If his neck cannot extend 18 feet, then he's not the amazing Scout.
What?
Fire, 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 fire!
Archer! And there comes the train.
Oh wait, I've totally forgot.
Oh,
Isn't there an outside to this map?
No.
I thought there was, wasn't there? Oh no, I'm thinking of well. Never mind. Dun 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 dun. I'm running first person with Omega. I really am not feeling the spy today. I think I'm gonna try something different. Oh,
I'm dead.
we're gonna auto balance, so it doesn't really matter the teams, guys. Let's just play however it goes. Oh, I'm red. Who else is? Oh, Omega and Puma. Haha, X-Agent's the loner.
Oh.
I'm gonna go spy.
If I was a friendly heavy who gave the enemy team savage, would you still beat me up?
Omega. Omega.
Help! There's a scout in our intelligence that's... Oh man, I
Omega,
just offended
wait.
2 scouts.
Omega, please translate this.
Oh god.
I'm
So
wicked.
is it in the game chat?
Yes?
Hang on. Did you say it? Because I don't see anything.
Maybe it's because I was dead.
Hey, Omega.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
And now?
We're the lyingest dumbs?
Weird least is dumb. What? Fat panda!
Translated, it means, who reads this is dumb.
Oh.
I hate you now.
Whoa! No need to bring that kind of hate language into here. I really want to eat my cookies. They're sitting downstairs. I just baked them and they smell so good.
Give me some.
Friendly! Friendly! Okay, I'm not giving you my sandwich. You know what, X-Agent? No. Bad
No!
bad
X-Agent!
homosexual pyromaniac. Go back to your little gay corner.
Whoa.
Gay corner?
Gay can it?
Gay? I thought he said a keg corner for a second there.
I think this is gonna be our last round. Just saying.
Yeah. Please. Please.
Oh no, I'm not gonna do it.
Fat Panda humiliated himself. When I get older, I will be fatter. They'll call me Weedo.
We'll be fatter?
Yeah,
Why?
because they say
Because
I
you
will
can.
be stronger. They'll call us freedom, just like the waving flag. And then it goes back.
My new demo man hat. It's very modified.
Why are there bullets?
Oh, he got me too. Fat Panda again? I'm like, you can't talk. You're just sitting up on top of the thing going.
Ah, come on, Rainblower, seriously.
Dun 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 dun
Yep.
dun.
This call.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Puma is in this call.
Puma. But it's not a puma, it's a panther. Bum. Bottom. 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 Oh crap, I forgot I was on the red team and he's on the blue team. Help, I'm gonna die, Omega. Help me, help me, help me. No, 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 no. Ex-agent.
Yes, sir.
I hate you.
I love you too.
I love you too. I'm going molly chop.
Let's return to our base.
Aw, how come I want to get pyrovision quick. How come I'm not on pyrovision?
Maybe the pyrovision isn't enabled.
Aww,
On some maps you can't have the pyrovision.
Puma?
that's really angering.
I mean, X-Agent, let's settle this. Man versus homosexual. Since you're pyro.
Man versus homosexual.
Fighting against a homosexual man right now.
That stupid guy. He's
Dang,
win.
Bone, I don't have time for you. Excuse
That
me for 1
crits.
second, viewers.
So, let's talk about how dumb Omega's cat is. Joking, Omega. I like your cat. I guess. Except it needs to learn when to not interrupt me. But,
Hey, spawn. No. No.
Bad pyro, bad. Crits.
How is that even freaking fair? What? No. I'm going side bomb. I'm going full flag suicide. Okay, sir, this is G-rated. Quit making XXX rated sounds.
I hate you. How are you so powerful? What is your secret?
Danger.
I don't know what name is it. Yeah, you're really cool. Very cool.
Dun.
Now I got you.
How come I'm stuck on the door? That isn't funny. Dun.
I think so. I have the Flogistinator.
Wait, we've only gotten 1 point? Holy crap.
Bum, bum, bum.
I want you
No,
to go,
stupid scouts. I hate you.
I want you to go melee only.
Oh, come on!
Me and X-Agent are going melee only. Please, so do not disturb.
We are?
Yes, we are. Where are you?
Files.
Hashtag Sage Rage.
Alright, X-Agent.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
It's
I'm going melee as well.
you did use your
Boo.
yeah, but that's not melee, that's a secondary weapon.
Well, guys, I think that was a pretty good episode. What would you say, Omega? Nothing?
If we get it off on another raining man, that'd be hilarious.
I want cookies.
No, we'll start the next one off with Raining Men, okay?
Okay, I might actually use the screen.
So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I guess I'll talk to you guys all later. Thank you guys for joining me. Okay, talk to you guys all later. Peace.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna let myself get absolutely soaking wet. It's raining.